I don't think it's, yep. I'm not done yet. The take, it's all about the take. Yeah, he's done.
Right the fuck on, brother.
Hold on. I think they're in here. Let me just play them out here for a second. The old 25 on the end of the line here. My brother told me. What's going on? Getting a grip on them. The old megalopsicle hanging out of his mouth. Look at the dark eyes on that guy.
Dude.
A nighttime tarpon here.
Good grip on it.
Here, check the hat. Change hats for a minute. No. What a perfect little sizer. Okay, I'll let you release them. We're gonna, oh, there goes the release. Nice and gentle. That didn't take long. What a gorgeous fish. The colors on that fish.
Right on, brother. Right on, man.
Thank you.